Now you heard his name was Srishti. Now Srishti has come from Hiranyagarbha. Now Hiranyagarbha, how Srishti has come from Hiranyagarbha, this is the topic. Please be careful. Purpose is not to tell about the Srishti. So there are two purposes. First is that everything is nothing but the Hiranyagarbha. Second is Srishti has come from Chetana, Chetan. Okay, Chetan Purvika, I am Srishti. Slowly, man will come, woman will come, animals will come. Achha. Let me take you for a little thing. If I say 100 years back, the population of India, even when the India got independent, the population of India was 45 million, something like that, which is 1.25 crore now. Similarly is the population of Europe, similarly. If you keep on going back and back and back and back and back and back, so there would be a time where the population of the world, which is 6 billion, 1000 back, you can go and research, the population of the world would not be even 1 billion. And if I go more back, I think there must be one time where population will be only 1,000, 2,000. I go back now. If you go back, the population will be 100. So you get free of cost all land. ऐसा भी है, ऐसा भी हो सकता है भाई. If I go back, what do you think? Huh? One? Huh? Only 1%? No, one or two? Which two? One male and one female should be there. But as you go back, the population is decreasing. And this I am talking of crores of years back now. Millions of years back. When this Srishti was manifested, from that all creation came upon. What will happen to Darwin then? Let us now catch Darwin. Darwin's theory, I am not going to repeat it, it had 2, 3. It is right to a certain extent when he said survival of the fittest. अब see these invaders came. Invaders came in India. They ruled us over 800 years. I am telling you where Darwin's theory is right. They had sophisticated weapons. Babar brought the tank first time. They had the army of 100,000 soldiers. They could conquer us. Who was the one? Adil Ali, na? Who came in Maharashtra? Who was the one? Whom Shivaji defeated? Huh? Adil Shah. You know what their strength was? Tremendous force, very well organized army, and they survived, and we were butchered. Napoleon conquered because he could have that power. How did Britishers rule the whole world? And it was said the son of the British doesn't sit. Small country, British country is very small. And almost whole Africa, Australia, Indian continent, very organized, very sharp, very shrewd, very good in wars. This Plassey war was there in Bengal. They defeated and came in 1700 something. They could survive, we were beaten. Today China is there, US is there. So as far as externally you see, you will see that yes, there is some point in his philosophy that here the one who is very well equipped with arms and very well equipped with knowledge, he is able to capture for some time at external level. But as far as jeeves are concerned, Darwin's theory has 2-3 flaws. One flaw is that karma siddhant will not be holding good by Darwin's theory. In the process of the evolution from tadpole to frog to bird to animal to human being, all these jivas, they are becoming animal without their karma. So man also became man without the karma. And therefore today also if he does some karma, so he will have no fruit after that. So technical flaw it is called in Vedanta, akrit abhyagam krit pranash. What he has not done, he is getting the fruit of that. And what he has done, there is no fruit of that. Akrit abhyagam and krit pranash. Okay. Akrit abhyagam. Akrit abhyagam is what you have not done is coming to me. And krit pranash, what I am doing, there is no. For then they will say human being is there. And second problem which is there, that how come from the Jad Chetan came? How from, because Chetan came later on. Amoeba was the monocellular, first unicellular organ was amoeba. So how come that from the Jad Chetan came? If Jad was the cause of the Chetan, so Chetan will also have Jadatva. Like from the gold comes the gold ornament, so as is the quality of the gold, similarly will be the quality of the gold ornament. If gold is 20 carat, the ornament also will be 20 carat. If gold is never 24 carat, you can't make the gold ornament, it is brittle. But if gold is 15 carat, the ornament will be 15 carat. If the cause was the Jad, which is not knowing anything, the effect also will be Jad in this Srishti. That means, Vachaspati Mishra says in his Bhamati, he says, Jagat andhatvam prapniyat. So whole world will not know themselves and nobody will know others also. If the cause was the Jad. There are two fallacies in this portion. I hope this is clear. Then what will happen now? Srishti should come from Hiranyagarbha. Srishti should now come from Hiranyagarbha. And if you read Bhagavatam, I'll bring Bhagavat here. So, 3rd canto you can go and see in Bhagavat. He says, Brahmaji came from the navel of Bhagavan Vishnu. And there was a big lotus. So in the stalk of lotus, he was there. He went up and down. He didn't see anybody. So he got, what is this going on? He was not clear, he got anxious. And there it is written that he did tapasya. And after doing tapasya, there he had the vision of some god, he was there. Actually speaking, before doing tapasya, he heard one sound, 1621, 1621. Was it a phone number? In the Varnamala, 16th word is ta. And 21st is Pa. And therefore he said, do tap, do tap, do tap. We don't understand Bhagavad. Problem is that Bhagavad has only become, people take it lightly. But Bhagavad is a very, very deep, difficult text. And I feel to go through Krishna Leela of Bhagavad, which is in 10th canto, you have to have very big emotional personality developed for Lord Krishna. So intellectually you should be very subtle and emotionally also very vast. अब they say क्या है? भगवान विष्णु's navel, ब्रह्मा जी के, क्या है ये? It is ridiculous. So in the calendar they make. Calendar is Lord Vishnu is there. He is reclining on the Shesh Nag. Right? And Lakshmi, and nice, this is there. Lakshmi ji is kneading the feet. And वहाँ तक तो ठीक है, चलो भाई. Kshir Sagar is there. And then this funny kind of the stalk, it comes lotus. On that small Brahmaji is sitting. Foreigners see all these things. They say, what is this cock and bull story you are making in? Dekho, you don't know, you keep quiet. Satyagun is the Kshir Sagar. Our philosophy was picturized. And there is Satyagun of Kshir Sagar existing. Three gunas and Kal is the Sheshaya. One Ishwar conditioned by all Maya, one who is the Maya Pati, Trigun Pati, Kal Pati, and who has maximum Satguna, he is Ishwar called Vishnu. Vishnu means Veveshti iti Vishnu, which pervades all. Okay. I'm just giving few points. I'm not going in too much detail. But when I took Bhagavad, I took in each shloka, I took in detail. When from his Nabhi, so first Kamal came. So don't think Kamal is one lotus is there. Kamal means 14 lokas are there. Brahmaji did not create lokas. So what is Nabhi? In his Nabhi, so they say Nab eva Nabhi. This Nab itself is the Nabhi. See the word. From Nab Nabhi has come. Have you seen this word Nabhi? What you say? English they call a belly button. Belly button, na? Navel point. Somebody said by belly button. I said, how come belly button came? He said, Bhagwan made small babies. And after that he did, you are done, you are done, you are done, you are done. So this is how. But please note this point. This Nab ev Nabhi, this big nub which you see, there is no end to it. This is Nabhi of Lord. अच्छा, जरा ध्यान देना. As is the macrocosm, so is the microcosm. So from the nature of this body, you can find out the nature of the whole cosmos would have come up. In this body also, from the Nabhi of the mother. Now you got the point. From the Nabhi of the mother, what is it called? Umbilical cord. That goes to support the baby. Baby is connected with that umbilical cord. At a microcosmic level I am talking. Baby does not eat the food by the mouth. But there is a connection through which, therefore mothers, they say, we are eating for 2 people now. And therefore they eat more when pregnancy time is there. After baby is delivered, still they continue. That is another matter. But the principle is this. Principle is this. Nab ev nabhi. खूब सोचना जरा सा. We are sitting on the golden treasure called the scriptures, our Hindu scriptures, and we are very ignorant about everything. Okay, we don't know anything properly. And we see the calendar and we try to find out that this, how is it possible? Trigun is there, Sattva. Trigun has 3 gunas, Sattvic, Rasic and Tamasic. We are having 90% Tamogun, few percent Rajogun and few percent Sattvagun. But total Ishwar has majority in Sattvagun. Therefore he is called Shuddha Sattva Adhipati. And therefore white ocean is there. Because Sattvagun is required for knowledge. Right now you are knowing because you have high Sattvagun. More is a Sattvagun, more knowledge you will have. One who has omniscience, he should have tremendous Sattvagun. Please note, he has Tamogun and Rajogun also. Ishwar. But majority is Sattvagun. Like parliament is of 425, 490 is already majority party. So nobody can dominate over if above 400 is there. So his Sattvagun is there. And he is Adhisthata. He is lying down. Lying down indicates he is not doer. Mayadhyakshen prakriti suyate sacharacha. So from this Hiranyagarbha, who is the best manager, who does not do anything, he makes everybody else do. ये सारे भगवान शांति से बैठे. And this Hiranyagarbha, from this Hiranyagarbha, now his Sankalp Shakti is very high. This Hiranyagarbha, got my point? His Sankalp Shakti is very high. From his Sankalp Shakti, now creation will start. Creation will start. I mean, start means manifest. From him. From him, the Srishti will start. And for the first man and woman to come, कहाँ से आए वो? उनकी मदर तो हो नहीं सकती. First man and woman should not have a physical mother. Because if some more female came alone, then without male, female cannot give birth. Only male cannot come. And therefore from his body, one male came and one female came. And if you read Bhagavad, Brahmaji's body, he converted into Manu and Shatrupa. What is Manu Shatrupa is here in the Upanishad. It will call Stri and Purush. Manu Shatrupa, Shankaracharya Bhagwan will say. And how they came, it is written here. You know, like the beans are there, beans. Beans? Like the chana is there. Gram. So there are 2 parts. They are united to each other. But they can be separated. All the dals like that, I think. So like grams are there, or even groundnut is there, cashew nut is there, even walnut is there, beans are there, urad dal is there, masoor dal is there, as far as I can think. Cashew, most of that nuts which are there, they are 2. They are united like that, as if embracing each other. But if you want, you can get out. Similarly, this man and woman called Manu and Shatrupa, they were embracing each other and when they came. From where? From the body of, that body of Brahmaji. Brahmaji, I am saying Hiranyagarbha, don't get confused. Don't put forehead. From that Sankalp Sharir, which was not in a gross form, came the gross body. Manu Shatrupa, yes. And therefore, Mano word has come. Mano means Manoho Apatyam. This man and Mano are quite connected. English man and Sanskrit Mano, man. That is man, Mano ka man kar diya unhone. So English man and Mano, Manoho Apatyam. So after that, all are the children of Manu. But first couple cannot be born from human being. Well, no, I don't believe in first couple. I think they will be eternal. What? No, but I told you that if you go back, couple will be listening now. And ultimately one couple will remain. So if one couple is there, that couple cannot have a long life. He cannot be eternal. That couple should have a short life only. And therefore first couple should be born from the Sankalp Sharir of Brahmaji. I hope this is clear. You have to, with quiet mind, please think. These things take time to understand. I am only saying, before refuting it, please think sufficiently. Same thing is mentioned in Bhagavad also. Bhagavad is more elaborate because it is Purana. Purana has a lot of elaboration. And this is Upanishad. Upanishad will say in short. What will be in 2 mantra in Upanishad will have 5-10 chapters in Bhagavad. Then they will say there were a lot of trees, lot of plants. Give big description. Okay.
But there is a question here.
Later on. You can write the question, I'll ask. And now that two, what will happen? We will see then what happens. But this is the order through which human being must be born. Now question may be there, from that how come Russian came, Italian came, blacks came, Negro, human being are 100 kind of human being. Spanish came, blonde hair came, black hair came. Some are totally white, some are dark, some are wheatish complexion. ये सब कहाँ से आ गए? वो सब तो उसमें से आ गए. Because of the karma phal. We will see that. But from the sankalp, human body came out and two came out. It was a big event. From that Brahman came, Kshatriyas came, Vaishya came, intelligent came, foolish came. अभी एनिमल्स पे नहीं आ रहे हैं, I'm only talking of human beings. And from one person, there was one person in Varanasi, I think what was his name, Vachaspati. So he was highly brilliant. Very great scholars used to come to study from him. His own son couldn't pass class 1. So from that body, various kind of things can come out. ये तो माया है. उनको तो जीव को जन्म देना है. And therefore from that main point is that Brahmaji's body only this came out. Okay. Now what is written here? Let us read the third mantra, page 3rd to 6th. 4 mantra is Hiranyagarbha Srishti. You can jot down somewhere. 3rd to 6th mantra are called Hiranyagarbha Srishti. And in this Srishti, Manushya Srishti, Pashwadi Srishti, Dev Srishti, Annadi Srishti. Whole Srishti is divided into 4 parts. Manushya Srishti, Pashwadi Srishti, Dev Srishti and Annad Srishti. Annad. Annad means eater of Anna. Now let us see what happened to Manu and what happened. Let us read 173 page, mantra number 3. Savai naivare tasmadekaki na ramate sadvitiyam aichat saha etavan asa यथा स्त्री पुमांसौ. Let us break it. यथा स्त्री पुमान असौ संपरिष्वक्तौ स इमम् एव आत्मानं द्विधा अपातयत ततः पतिश्च पत्नी च अभवताम् तस्माद् इदम् अर्धभृगलम् इव स्व इति हस्म याज्ञवल्क्यः तस्माद् अयम् आकाशः स्त्रिया पूर्यत एव तां समभवत ततो मनुष्या अजायन्त. Next. सोहेयम् ईक्षांचक्रे कथं नो मात्मन एव जनयित्वा संभवति हन्त तिरोसानीति सा गौः अभवत् ऋषभ इतरः तांस समेवाभवत् ततो गावः अजायन्त वडवेतर अभवत् श्ववृष इतरो गर्दभ इतरा गर्दभी इतरा गर्दभ इतरः तान् समेवाभवत् तत एक सफलम् अजायता जेतरा भवत वस्व इतरो अवीरितरा मेष इतरः तान् समेवाभवत् ततो अजावयो अजायन्त एवमेव यदिदं किंच मिथुनम् आपिपीलकाभ्यः तत्सर्वम् असृजत. Let us see this. So this man and woman are born, Manu and Shatrupa. In Bhagavad, rishis are born, Sanak Sanatan is born. Lot of big description. Saptrishi are born, 10 Marichi, etc. all are born. So big description is there. Now, some social points also Upanishad mentioned. So tasmad idam ardh brigalam iva, like this, that dal, etc. Brigalam iva, swa is very important because he himself has become like that. So everything is the same God. Itiha sma aha yagyavalkya. So Yagyavalk said like that because this is Shukla Yajurved, where the Yagyavalk is main teacher. Tasmad, one more point is mentioned here. What is mentioned here? So it is mentioned here that man and woman are mutually complementary, not contradictory. They complement each other. Tasmad ayam akasha. There is a space. Acha, हाँ. So, space where? Space in the man. And that is fulfilled by the woman. Istriya puryata. I will explain to this point, just I'm saying translation. Bole space in the man, that means the mental space in the man that is filled by the woman. Yes. बोले उल्टा भी तो ठीक होगा. Yes. ताम समभवत ततो मनुष्य आ जायंता. And similarly, the space in the woman is filled by the man. I will just space in the male is filled by the woman. Space in the woman is filled by the man. Space means something which they are lacking. They are not complete by themselves. So there is no inferiority or there is no superiority. What man can do, women can't do. Right? What women can do, man can't do. Everybody is made for certain things. And this is very good. Just I'll touch one or two points. That the male body is hard and tough. It is meant to earn. Male mind wants to achieve something in the outer world. Okay, it wants achievement. It has toughness, achievement. It can go in military. It can go in various places. It can bear hardships also. Tough person is there. It's meant for outside. Therefore, they have beard and mustache. Because this is like the filter. This mustache is like the filter. You are not using, most of you, but because they are meant for outside world. Women's work is a different area. Those who are working a lot, they will fight with me, but I have to tell that. I will not mince the word. Women's body is delicate. Chandra is the ruling deity of the woman. Therefore, all upasana are Chandra Pradhan. And Surya is the ruling deity of the male. Therefore, Yajñopavita is mainly given to the man. And Chandra Upasana is mentioned for the women because they are full of emotions. Tremendous emotions are there. Achha? Arey baap re, itta emotion. They can cry and cry and cry. This man is there, hardly 1-2 drop of tear also doesn't come. Why? Because to bring up the child you need lot of emotions. To bring up a child, to bring up a baby, and to hold the house you need emotions. So, there is one shlok in Manusmriti. You know how he defines the housewife. They say, Grahani Graham Uchyate. House is not the name of the brick. The housewife is the name of the house. So if the housewife is not happy, house will all disintegrate. She is the holder of the house. As a mother and as a wife. But the identity and security of the house is decided by the man. If somebody asks you, who are you? And you say, my mother's name is supposing something. So the person won't be satisfied. You will say, what's your father's name? What is your father's name? And supposing you do something wrong, then this is what your mother taught you. Are you seeing the rule? इसकी ट्रेनिंग माँ ने ठीक नहीं दिया है. So the security of the house is, if you see, some man is living in the house. So other person is also little, oh, man is there. And supposing there is no man in the house, then it is little insecurities there. But inside the house, the joy of the house, the binding power of the house, the love in the house is decided by the woman. The security and identity of the house is decided by the man. I hope it is clear. I'm not saying women cannot work. Women can work. There is nothing that they have less intellect. There can be highly brilliant. But main role is here. That is a side role. And not that man cannot take care of the child. Man can take care, but that is not his main role. It is a side role, he can play that. If you ask any man what you do, and if he says, no, I am in my house, my wife works, and I don't work, I do babysitting. So it doesn't match. But if women say, no, I don't work, I'm in the house, it is normal. Because from the man, expectation is there. If you ask, who are you? If you ask a man, married man, who are you? And he says, I am the husband of, some girl is there, Twinkle, supposing. I am husband of Twinkle. So the person won't be satisfied. He wants your work. Because Purush is associated with Purushartha, not Istriartha. He wants some Paurush. Kya karte ho? I want to know, I don't want to know that who is your wife. Don't introduce yourself by the wife. I'm engineer, okay. I'm a clerk, fine. I'm a businessman. I'm auto rickshaw puller, no problem. But don't define yourself with the wife. But if wife is asked, who are you? And she says, I'm engineer. The questioner will not be satisfied. Are you seeing that? No, I'm a doctor. No. What she wants? No, if you are married or unmarried. If you are married, who is your father? And if you are unmarried, if you are unmarried, who is your father? If you are married, who is your husband? ऐसे ही भगवान ने बनाया है. Nobody can take mother's place, nobody can take father's place. All parts have their own importance. And nobody should feel man and woman. It is another point, if somebody exploited the woman, it is their foolishness. In the society where woman is exploited, it will all go down. There is one shlok in Manusmriti, Yatra naryastu pujyante ramantre tatra devataha. Very nice shlok is there. Yatra etaha tu na pujyante tatra sarva nishphala kriyaha. You know what is said? Yatra naryastu pujyante ramante tatra devataha. Simple Sanskrit. Where Nari is worshipped, all devatas are. Where they are exploited, fruit don't come. So there are more Devi temples than Ramji Krishna's temple. क्योंकि उपासना किया गया हमारी. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता बोला गया. All Nadi are on the name of Devi, except one, Brahmaputra. That is not Nadi, that is Nad. Sonabhadra also. But maximum are all this like that. Whole Srishti has come from Devi only. So therefore every Devi has, Lakshmi also, Kali also, Saraswati also. Which you invoke, that is up to you. Some have more of Chandi only. So that is up to them. But there is an amsh. And therefore Kumari Puja is to be done in Navratra. Kumari Puja, very popular is there. I hope this point is clear now. इसीलिए लिखा है, both are complementing each other. Okay. Swadharma of, supposing if girl is there, supposing. Okay. If she is spiritual, then she has transcended that need that I should. Woman's need sometimes is I should be having someone, some man who can possess me. ये उसकी need हो जाती है. Man's need is world should be seeing me. वुमेन को फेम नहीं हो चलेगा, उसको कहेगा ठीक है, दैट्स फाइन. सो अ वुमेन विल बी प्रोफेशनली वेरी गुड, शी कैन बी ब्रिलियंट प्रोफेशनली, बट इफ शी डज नॉट गेट द लव फ्रॉम द चाइल्ड और फ्रॉम द हस्बैंड, इज डिफिकल्ट टू, उसके इमोशन इतने ज्यादा हैं, इट शील गो बरसक. नदी है ना, उसको कुछ चाहिए ओशन, जहां देर समर्पण प्रधान वृत्ति इज देयर. Or God is there, then you offer to the God. But man is there, everything is complementary, man and woman. क्या क्या बताएं आपसे. अच्छा, एक को सेवा करने में बहुत, सेवा प्रधान इज देयर, वुमेन. मैन इज, उसको सेवा लेना है काफी, चाय ले आओ, बटन इज नॉट ओके, प्लीज पुट ऑन द बटन. हाँ, बटन तो खुद लगाना आता नहीं उनको. One day he tried, the needle went in the finger only. Okay. The baby is there, baby is dirty now. Now this man will not do anything. He will immediately बोले जरा इसको ठीक करके लाओ. After the baby is ready, nice clothes, then he will play. बाकी उनका काम हो गया. ऐसी ऐसी बातें हैं. So feelings में, serving में, you know, when I go to houses I see that. Sometimes wife is not there, housewife is not there, and they come call for bhiksha. Only man is, and not to one man, 4 men are there to make the matter worst. And they called, ठीक, up. Food has come in front of you plate. All are standing like a camel. कोई सॉफ्टनेस ही नहीं है कि कोई पूछे लो थोड़ा सा, विल यू हैव और नॉट. खड़े हैं ऐसे. एंड सर्वेंट इज देयर, ही इज आल्सो मेल, एंड ही हैड पुट ऑल द डिशेस ऑन द टेबल. एक मदरली फीलिंग होती है, प्लीज टेक दिस, विल यू लाइक दिस, यू डोंट लाइक दैट. एक सॉफ्टनेस होती है. वही घर बांध के रखती हैं. She will bear the brunt of husband also, children also, फिर से बेचारी खाना बना लेगी. उनका काम बहुत ही बड़ा है. I give more marks to them because they mind the house, and because of that society is bound. Because of that country is bound. Okay? If any great person is there, you don't ask who is your father. You know the name of mother of Shivaji. I don't know whether you know I don't know the name of father. No, mother you know. Mother I also know. Father you may not be knowing. When I say Gurudev's mother, we will know the name. ये उनका रोल पड़ गया. Because she is called the first teacher. She spends more time with the child than the father. Father goes out to earn. But mother has spent more time with the child. And therefore, this is the incidental diversion, not the main topic. This is not the main topic of the Upanishad. It is written here, please see the word. Here it is, Istriya Puryatat eva tam samabhavat. And tato manushya ajayanta. अच्छा. Okay, that's right. Let us see what Bhashyakar says. थोड़ा सा उनको भी देख लेना चाहिए. Page 176. यस्माद् अयं पुरुषार्थः आकाशः स्त्री. Because the emptiness in the man पुरुष आर्ध आकाश स्त्री अर्ध शून्य and he is empty without that. Therefore पुनः udvahanat means by marriage, udvahanat, marriage, tasmat puryate, therefore he becomes complete. Very good. अच्छा, हाँ, अब हो गए, अब कंप्लीट हो गए. अच्छा, पुनः संपुटीकरणेन एव विदलाद. Like the two parts of that dal or the beans which were separated, they are again present, is complete. देखें कैसा अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है. Those two parts are, they can be one, but they are easily separable also. So that as a jeev, both are different, but they can be one to give completeness to the house. Okay. So it is written. अब यहीं पे मनु शत्रुपा आ रहे हैं. उपनिषद doesn't say that. तामस प्रजापति मनवाक्य. अब देखो प्रजापति को मनु बोल दिया इन्होंने. मनवाक्य मीन्स मनु. शतरूपा आख्यम आत्मनः दुहितरम. So दुहितरम means daughter. So that daughter, who was that? Shatrupa, of that main Hiranyagarbha. Patnitvena kalpitva. Now she became the wife. When he became the Manu, so one part became Manu, one part became Shatrupa. And therefore Ardhanarishwar is there. Ardhanarishwar, Shivji and Parvati ji are one. And therefore in all the yagas, Pati Patni both are sitting. You must have heard. Both are sitting and both will be joining the hands and they will do together the yaga. Patnitvena kalpitva samabhavan maithunam upagatvan. After that they proceeded to create the world. And from that Manushya came. Okay. Please don't get in the story. Point is, they are not different than Hiranyagarbha. Don't miss the main point. Hiranyagarbha alone is this. Okay. Achha. Remember third name of Hiranyagarbha was Srishti. So he is Srishti. Not he has Srishti. This is Abhinna Nimitya Upadana Karan. Christians will say God made the world. But God is not the world. God is where is he? He is in the heaven. Therefore he sends his son for the humanity. But he is not the heaven. You alone are the Srishti here. Okay. And therefore Manushya came. Human beings. अब वो सब शुरू हो गया.